How can I learn a vocabulary for improving my English? Is vocabulary necessary or not? I would say that yes, it is necessary, but not at the beginner level. If you know some words in English, if you are trying to speak out, that's enough for you. But try to speak out. Now, let me tell you why vocabulary is necessary for learning English. Why it's necessary. I'm not saying that it's not necessary. Yes, it is. But firstly, try to speak out. If you will speak out, then you will try to learn new words. Then vocabulary is necessary. When you will use some words, then you will get to know. Then you will have to get to know about some words. They're synonyms of those words. Then that is what do we call vocabulary. When you will get to know about the synonyms of some words. Okay. So now let me tell you, there are two kinds of vocabulary. The first is passive vocabulary and the second is active vocabulary. Now what is passive vocabulary? Passive vocabulary means you have words in your mind. Okay, you have words in your mind, but you are not using them. You know those words, but when it's time to speak, your mind thinks that, oh, I don't have word for this situation. I don't have word for this situation, but sometime you have read that word. Okay, but right now your mind is thinking that it do not have word. So this is what do we call passive vocabulary. You have word in your mind, but that word is trying to refuse to come on your tongue. That word is trying to refuse to come on your tongue. Okay, you are trying to remember that word, but you are not able to use that word. So this is what do we call passive vocabulary. You have words in your mind, but you cannot use them because your mind is pretending that, oh, you do not have word for this situation. Now let me tell you what is active vocabulary. Active vocabulary means that kind of vocabulary which you are using on your daily basis for making sentences. You are using those words for structuring the sentences. Okay. For example, beautiful. This is a word. It's in my mind, and I am also using this word for making sentences. For example, I would say that, oh, she is so beautiful. Oh, she is gorgeous. Oh, she is looking stunning. So these are the words which are in my mind, and I am using those words for making sentences. This is what do we call active vocabulary. So now what you have to do? If you want to activate the passive vocabulary, then you will have to use passive vocabulary in your sentences. Okay, you can activate vocabulary. You can activate passive vocabulary by making sentences. Now, I think so you guys might got to know what is the difference between active and passive vocabulary. And that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, then please like it, subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who are eager to learn English. Thank you.